Hey! In front of me is CUBOT Note 9 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. You need to begin by opening settings and choosing security section. Now click on face unlock after scrolling down and enter your current login method. Then you need to scroll all the way down, select agree and tap on start at the bottom right corner. Then keep your face in frame and follow all of those instructions. Now select done, and when I go back, turn off my screen, then turn it back on. I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!